you are right now in any psychological pain, you feel empty, lonely, disconnected, or anxious, or simply unhappy, there is an important distinction that I need you to be aware of because it has consequences for how you work with those feelings. There are two types of situations that can cause those feelings. One is when you're objectively in a difficult life setup, so either your finances are unstable, you're in a toxic job, you're in a bad relationship, or you have little social support, and then you feel lonely, empty, disconnected, or unhappy because objectively you have every reason to. And then in this case, the role of the therapy process or support process is to help you figure out how to change your life circumstances because your reaction to your life is adequate, so you need to change your life circumstances to feel different. And then there is the second type of situation that I often work with, especially with wealthier clients, is when objectively and on paper things look okay, stable financial situation, good social support, no toxic environment when it comes to working, and yet on the inside something feels not okay. There is still psychological pain, or a feeling of emptiness is the most common one for this type of situation. And in this situation, we don't really work on changing the circumstances because the circumstances often are okay. What we do here is we work on the internal mechanics, on looking for the places inside that are disconnected, that somehow have been lost along the way, the aftermath of a trauma or some sort of disconnect from values and meaning in life. So here in the second situation, the work is more directed not on changing life circumstances, but it's more directed at reconnecting with the things that are meaningful and to help find purpose.